Hi, welcome back to another video with Daniel and John. Excuse the noise of the engine. There's a reason for that. If you see there, so we've got a bit of a leak. Rather than start taking the head off and everything and messing about, we're going to try some of this K-Seal. It makes some bold claims saying it's 99% success rate, money back will last the lifetime of the vehicle. So we'll pop this in and we'll see if it stops. So we'll come back to you in 10 minutes when it's treated its operating temperature. We'll follow the instructions by the letter. Just be interested to see something as visible as that, whether this stuff actually works. Thanks for watching. Hi, welcome back. Just an update. We thought we'd just share this with you. So we've had the K-Seal in for about 5 minutes, and you see most of the stopped. So that is quite surprising. You can leave it a little bit longer, then put it under pressure a bit. Revving the engine a bit and see if it does it, but if it does what it looks like it's doing, it's pretty amazing stuff. We took a load of coolant out of the reservoir at the top with a sucker, and then we just put this. It probably took, I don't know, how much is in this bottle? It's 474 mil. We took a load of coolant out of that reservoir there, shook that and tipped it in, but at the moment it looks like it's fixed it. That's it. Come back to you in a few more minutes. Hi, welcome back. So sort of 10-15 minutes in, let the vehicle get up to operating temperature like it said, and if you watch the previous video, within 2 or 3 minutes it started to slow down. As of putting it in today, say half an hour later, the leak has gone, and it's no longer leaking. Even under pressure, when we put our foot down, it was quite pronounced, to the extent that it was noted on the MOT that it had a coolant leak. And it was pooling at, I'll tell you where it was pooling. Let's get the torch on. I used to pool down there. You just see a little ledge there. And take it from me, if you can't see it in the video, it's as dry as anything. It has fixed the leak. So we'll probably do our follow-up in 2-3 weeks' time. Yeah. But it's not cheap stuff. This was just under £40.
This is the ultimate stuff as well, isn't it? We thought we'd give it a try, but it's worth giving it a try, isn't it?
The amount of work it saves.
Yeah, because we don't want to do the head gasket on this, really.
A new head gasket is about £80, and it's probably a day or two's work because we're novices, sort of thing. So we could do it. It's just a matter of following a process and procedure. But we thought we'd try this first, and if it works, then brilliant. It'll help us along a bit. Anyway, based on what I've seen, I would recommend this.
So just before we finish the video, if you have got a leak on the exhaust ports, say 4 and 5, then perhaps give that a try before considering doing the head gasket.
One thing I would say is the reason we went for K-Seal is to do with the type of antifreeze in this vehicle.
Yeah, so this has got the red OAT organic acid technology antifreeze, whereas with, what's the other brand?
Can't remember.
You have to empty it. You can't have it mixed,
so
can you?
From what I've read, every other brand apart from this, and I won't name names, you have to empty your car of coolant if it's got this OAT in it, the red stuff. Flush it through, fill it with just water, use this, check the leak has been sealed, remove it, put your antifreeze back in. But that's in the smaller detail if you look at it. So I'm guessing a lot of people have used other brands.
Steel Seal was the one we were going to.
You could put it with any antifreeze.
But that doesn't support OAT antifreeze, does it? Yeah, but
K-Seal you can put with any antifreeze.
And you can literally just pour it in the reservoir.
Put it in the reservoir, done, finished. Anyway.
It seems to have fixed our problem at the moment. We'll let you know how it gets on.
We got this off Amazon, didn't we?
Yeah.
We'll put a link to it on Amazon for you.
Because there is different version of this, but we went for the ultimate version.
It seemed, ultimate.
Seemed like the better version. It's a permanent apparently, so we'll see.
And money back guarantee if it doesn't work. So yeah, we've seen it with the videos.
At the moment, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
So we'll do another video if we have any problems with it.
Yeah.
Like if it leaks again.
I mean, that literally is what it says. Shake and pour and go.
We shook it a lot. We took some coolant out of the reservoir and pulled that in, turned the heating down to low and just turned it off as per the instructions. Ran the vehicle, revved it a little bit here and there. And even with the back pressure on the exhaust, the leak has seemed to have gone as well. So
yeah, so
that's a bonus.
That was a quick fix for us, which makes a change. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope it helps.